The more this every fast is actually making us spiritually stronger. Like, you just think of a 1%, half a percent improvement in yourself by one fast. Now it's moved on to 1%, then it's moved on to 1.5%. You're actually remarkably making a change in yourself. Physically, spiritually, taqwa is increasing. It's becoming easier and easier for you to not even think about the food. The first day, it's going to be so hard. Oh my God, I'm so thirsty already. Second day, third day, it's okay, you feel it, but you're not even thinking about it because you've developed an endurance. Obeying Allah despite your discomfort has become normal. It's become easier. يُرِيدُ اللَّهُ بِكُمُ الْيُسْرَ وَلَا يُرِيدُ بِكُمُ الْعُسْرَ وَلِتُكْمِلُوا الْعِدَّةَ. And all of this is towards one ultimate goal. And that ultimate goal is twofold. On the one side, Allah describes وَلِتُكَبِّرُوا اللَّهَ عَلَى مَا هَدَاكُمْ, one of the most beautiful phrases in this ayah. And that's what I really wanted to emphasize today for myself and all of you. So that, Allah says, and this was given to you so that you can declare Allah's greatness based on how He guided you. So you can declare Allah's greatness based on how He guided you. Now, what in the world does that mean? It means a few things. First of all, declaring Allah's greatness for the Muslim is the phrase Allahu Akbar, right? That's how we declare Allah's greatness. So, of course, when the month of Ramadan is over, we celebrate by declaring Allah's greatness. And when we're walking to the Eid prayer, we're all, declaring Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, walillahi alhamd. You've done that since childhood. You remember you're walking to the prayer, you're talking about how much greater Allah is. But have you ever connected that to what does that have to do with Ramadan? All of Ramadan, Allah was greater for you. Allah was greater than your thirst. Allah was greater than your hunger. Allah was greater than your discomfort. You lived Allahu Akbar for 30 days and you graduated. And now you get to now those words mean something. Now they have real meaning. So now when you're walking and you're celebrating the words Allahu Akbar, you've demonstrated that in your life, right? So now what Allah is saying is, as you are saying that coming out of Ramadan, you lived Allahu Akbar in Ramadan and you're coming out of it saying Allahu Akbar. What you're saying is, now that I've proven to myself that I made Allah a greater priority than every one of my human needs, I disciplined all of my human needs and made Allah a greater priority, I am now capable to get out of Ramadan and carry on living Allahu Akbar. Because outside of Ramadan, it's way easier. The requirements are way easier. There's way less restriction on what I can eat and what I can do, right? And so this is actually the ultimate goal of Ramadan, is that we come out of it living Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. If you enjoyed this video, please do share it with friends and family.